Alright, here she is, the Dell E6510. So, this is kind of this is covering up the certificate of authenticity. This is not normal here. I'll just wait before I start this part of the video. So normally this isn't here. What do I have for this computer? Well, first of all, I did unbox like 2 of these, sort of. The only one I did. This is a big box. I had stuff to do for the last week since it's been here. Instead of a bag, it's in a box. I get rid of the bag. And yeah. And I'm unboxing it off. But first up we have the okay. Show this here. One second, I want to cover it up. Right, this is the box for the RAM. Right here. That's what it was. Yeah, I'll do it on the box right. And 13 inch in the battery. Sweet. We're gonna need to go to school. I haven't had time to even think about doing this. Can't do that. That'd be power too. Okay. Trying to open this without showing the address. Fuck it. Hang on. We got it. Alright. Okay, let's see. There's a note in here. Contact us. Check the component we ordered. Check out the packaging and reuse the printer product. Instructions on how to insert it. Static crap. This isn't one time. I don't need any of that crap. Here is the RAM. And it's not it's anti-static. I'm gonna say probably not, but oh well. As long as it's insulated, it doesn't really matter. I think the pushing computer wasn't even anti-static, nothing right now. Now that I think about it, the one for the pushing computer wasn't anti-static. Okay. He's really scuffed up and poor bottom cover. I'll show you everything first. 240 GB SSD, more than what the Acer notebook has. So $30 on Amazon. And a screw set. And what the screw set for is what the screw set is for here in a minute. So I'm gonna take the bottom cover off and it's put on by tape. Now you know what the other thing was for. We're gonna fix that. All residue now. Somewhat. It's the how the right out. I think the M2x3. We'll find out later. We'll need the bottom cover off to remove the RAM. So the green RAM means it's from the Acer netbook. One right here. This has the 2 gig stick out of the Acer 5552. This went from the netbook to a drawer for a while and then entered here, I believe, when I fixed it in 2017. So go ahead and pop back the 2 retaining clips and remove the 1 gig stick. There's a better angle on this. And because the other stick I ran, which is a 4 gigs, is much better, and we're up to Windows 7 once over the 1 gig stick. 1 gig is to Windows 7. That's the other black chips rather than the circuit board. And really key is. I use that socket. No, it works. You gotta do a little bit add any more. I like that one, plug that one. But I could reuse that one. But you know what? I just take a good reason to, so fuck it. So get that in there. And now for the hard drive to come out. So either this. And I gotta put an extra there when I need it eventually. Otherwise, you need a bit earlier. I got 30 to move shit around. Okay. Anyway, no, actually, I know how to do it too, if it doesn't work. And I pick up and just go like that 20 times, just into the form pops at least. So I got the bottom cover lens, I'll do it the right way. I swear it was the right way. I do have the piece for it still. For the psycho, if it'll work this time. That sounds like I could get a good connection on it, because the drive wasn't long enough. Okay. This one, that way. This is definitely the hard drive that came out of the Acer Aspire. Or wait, maybe not. No, that is. Yeah, I think it was a different one. That is the one that came out of. So we're gonna undo the SSD now. I put the SSD. Oops. Oh, here it is. I don't want that this one. And then undo all this. And first time. Okay. And now you can cut this guy open too. Probably without spilling it out. I'm gonna get it the wrong way itself. I don't let it shut by. I need all this. Let me see the hard drive screw size actually is. It's all the same, so. Hard drive screw size. See what size down here. So we're gonna do this. Start trying different screws. How it fits. And please do not spill this bitch. I'm gonna put this size screw. No, you fits it. Yep. Okay, does it work? No. Not quite. And 2.5. So right, and 3x3. That works. Sweet. Is that correct? No, who knows? Does it work though? Yeah. Let's see which way is it. On here. Do that. And that's gonna go in like that. Gonna go like this. Over here. See, this is what I have to do. So that it is. Alright. Easy. And get somewhat. Somewhat what? Yeah, straight on both sides, not just one. Idiots. Oh well. Oh. Alright, nice. You said one time just couldn't miss the connector because we couldn't see it. Oh well. The mirror nano does it. Let's see the bottom here when we go over this part actually. Oh yeah. Did the RAM. Did the SSD. And now it's ready and put it back together. And I think probably I'm due X3 for the time of this thing. Oh shit. I've already been knocking away. Ah. Oh, it's harder than. Alright. Well, that works too. If supposed to do this, I don't know, but you know what? Oh, it probably is actually. Like, yeah, you know what? Fuck the bottom cover. But they want you to go it's just a hard drive without taking the cover off. It does better. Dell and I are pretty good about letting people work on their stuff. Oh yeah, that's what Apple, they're like, no, but I'll start doing your money. Say so it's better experience. Really, it's doing your money more. Testers. And the SSD probably installed. All nice and screwed in. As it should be. Now we got rid of a hole in the side of the computer. The hard drive is tucked away. And they knew it was better, but I just never had for it. There's two more screws. Missing the cover. I'm not sure what kind they are. I did online pick about anything that said what size these things were. So I ordered a kit just to see. And the fuck they are. Yeah, screw. Yeah, I screw with the wrong size. Can look and see how. What's going on? Good it is. let's do it. They're a lot on the M2.5X12. 2.5 sucks. Or boss it there. That one. Alright. Alright. One more stir. And we are done. See? That's this one going. Yeah. Should end to it, will you? Should end to. Did they really use 3 different fucking sizes in this juice? Probably. Into this whole thing. Yeah. .5 really isn't working. Turn that into. Yeah, that's build wrong. Not build wrong. It's not right. It's not 2.5. Oh, it is 2.5. Yeah. No. Alright, well. Do it, I guess. We're going inside now, so. We'll be alright. Whatever. No, probably not. Alright. Oh. See you guys on the screen capture. Okay, we're back. The fans running at full speed. Not quite sure why the mic is in the back. Probably because I'm using the reader in general. I tried using the recorder at this point. I can't get the word anymore because the video driver isn't loaded. I didn't know it was. And yeah, tried restarting it with it plugged in. Tried the VGA and DisplayPort adapters. I just cannot make the output work right now. Further it down to the good old fashioned camera point and shoot style. Yeah. But the good news is, one, it comes on, it works. And two, it recognizes all 4 gigs. I just cannot see the hard drive. So that's all shit. This. Back on. Undo F12. Get into the boot menu. Let's just turn it on first. Now that hit the button. And it didn't. No, it should have an air at the bottom. Oh, no, it's not. Okay. wonder the heatsink got this. It's very weird today. And they're not really sweet. There we go. So I'm plugging in my external hard drive. Because it makes a big computer on it. It's not new, but I don't do much with this computer. I don't really care if the image is a little outdated. I just need it to work. And I have all the drivers and stuff on it, so I won't have the other stuff on it that I had on it before, but you know what? I don't really give a fuck. If you on a desktop, I have copies of it over. So I really don't care. I'm plugging my flash drive also. Has a multi-boot installer on it, or multi-boot thing on it. And I had escape cancel. That's 12 again. Did not like that very much. Let's just start that. No, it's the only biddable thing. It's the only biddable thing anyway, so fuck it. Oh, it shot again, I think. Yep. It's really strange. It's in a keyboard. Oh, why is it over here? I don't care right now. I'm just like freaking out because of the RAM change. Why are the fans going on? It's not evil. I don't think I used it in a long time though, not using no more. Alrighty then. It's always blowing cold air though. Like always done that. Still blowing. Really? Can you record here? So I'm pretty sorry again. Yeah. Alright, okay. So. Leslie? What? Put the boot device failed. Press key to reboot. Alright. Oh, fuck. That just turning a shit noise on it. USB stick one time. Oh, alright. Fuck. Oh. As Dutch Benjamin says, I have a plan. I have a plan C. Why I say C instead of D? Well, C in it, Roy Dungeon, but one plan C. Aha! Plan D. As in Plan DVD. I said CD earlier. I'm like, oh, it's a DVD actually. There. Oh yeah. There's my giant spool of just the fun 101. Alright. So. I don't want to do it right. For some reason it don't work on this meter. Awesome. Naturally. Now we'll put the disc in. And see what happens. Alright, cool. Well, it'll be well, and I'll be back. Alright. The fans are calming down a little bit. I think they're just getting glitchy. Because they're just kind of throwing themselves. We got next reflect the CD version because the YouTube drive won't work. Let's go ahead and do browse for image file. Computer. Well, how do you not see the fucking USB drive? I've done this before, why wouldn't it work? Fuck. I've done this before, why wouldn't it work? Because the newer version that doesn't, yeah. Shit. On the flash drive that I can't use. Can I get to the NAS though is the question. Task, network config. And there are no adapters here. Oh fuck. It's definitely the USB 3, I think it was the USB 3 problem. It's USB 2 though. Alright. Wow. I probably don't run another DVD then. I mean, I can use the internet on this thing. Do a nice work. I can probably use computer and see if it would detect the Ethernet code I can do it. I doubt it would detect it. If you order that really should detect the fucking Ethernet card at the least though. Why is it the 2020 Ram is ordering that? Why is it at this point and still have like a basic network driver that's without everything? It's a temporary get you online type thing. Why not? Where's my fucking Bluetooth cable? God, I can't find anything today. Okay. So what went down here? I can do it. Pulling that one on. Oh, actually, I got to right now. Look at those switches. Far away. Why? Where is that fucking blue cable at? Seriously. It's not working right now, I'm bothering, but I know. I see it under the touch. I can't. Oh wait, I can't reach it. I don't think it's not working. Another plug's on thumbs up. I never know, man. You never know sometimes. Nope. Alright. Trying to think here. Oh, this is the hard drive. Duh. I'm fucking stupid. No, never removable storage. Okay, never mind. I'm just dumb. I passport. Back up. Clones. That one's on the fucking ass. God damn it. E545, E500, 610. Ah, fuck. This is not going to go off today, now is it? Alright then. So I'll go ahead and shut this bitch down. That was probably on the NAS, so it'll be more helpful. Turn the NAS on. Take the Ethernet cable and the hard drive from my other laptop and copy that over real quick. And then we shall come back to this. Damn it. Alright. Attempt number 2. More prepared and less stupid. Let's try this. Browse for image. Computer. There's the hard drive. Backup. That's all this is. Clones. E6510. There we go. And we're gonna restore said image to the SSD. Haha. Sweet. Send this SSD plus 240. That's what? This is 298 gigs. You fucking hoe. Please don't. Oh. Okay, good. Without rotation shrunk to fit. No problem. Fine by me. Finish him! Yay! We're getting somewhere. Further than the other video did this last time. And we're getting better off. Like, fuck. Alright. Yeah. I'm not gonna time out this one. Because I just. Why is it frozen? Okay, good, it's not. Alright, you fucking bitch. Alright, I'll be back when this is all done. Today is not my day. I should be easy, I thought. Let's fix this computer. Right, failed. Well, shit. Let me think here for a moment. How does that say secret USB? Suppose this is even a secret USB that's what I had. I'm going to image it from. Let me get where the USB plug though. This is a digital hard drive that I'm using now. Let me verify the image real quick. So the image isn't bad. Oh, verify. I doubt it's bad, but I'll make sure it's not. Come on back. Alright. That's it. I'm getting me mallet. No, not yet. Alright. Time for plan H. You know what H stands for? Got to find out. HP was the meaning of that one. See, you have the SSD behind it, my hard drive with the image on it, and the flash drive. I'm going to on it right here. This time that will help. I'm pretty sure I've used it on this computer. I'm pretty sure I've used it on this computer before. So we should need that DVD. Gonna turn it on. You know, you kind of gotta plug the charger into the laptop before you turn it on. Just plug into the wall, and usually it doesn't work. The battery's kind of, dead. Yes. Okay, let's try that again. That didn't happen. No worries. Boot menu, and you want Samsung flash drive. There we go. Okay, Mac and reflect. 32. Yeah, up here. Oh, we're down right now. I wasn't catching about that at work because I got no driver to be made. So, I will, stop it. Alright. Now we can try this again. Browse. Okay, select, so, passport, backup, clones, use 60 by 10, restore to secret USB, I think. Let's see. SSD 850, nope. For now, okay, secret USB 223. Yes. The next. So, source and let's see, that's what we're gonna do. So if not, I have backup of the on this computer here. Alright, attempt number. No, I don't know this one. Let's try this again. Alright, finally, something went right today. And now I'm done for today, so I'm going to finish this bitch tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Alright, back. Any question next year? Alright, what do you have to do about my computer already? I guess tell me to do it, but I'm going to do it again. You told me to do it the first time, so I figured you need to do it all over again. Hopefully you got a part tonight. It may not, it's all good day. But I'm recording, so I'm straight now. Those are weird. I don't know if all these are just those. You put the power in it, the 15 miles a day, it'll start. So. I'm giving it a good old, error message with all computers. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I have to. Take that out. I can put this out. Okay. date here. Let's do 23, 20, time is it? 12, 22, and exit. And then you should go. And turn on again. Now here's the glass again for some reason. It is really weird. Yep. And exit again. Stop again. Now turn it around this time. If you can see the SSD air go off, it will be off of it. If you can't see it, it's over here. And remember the settings too, not like you forgot what I did to it. I see a minute it was still the correct date in boosting ways. Aha, I did see the SSD, sweet. That is so much faster. Already. Oh. It was looking good, I guess. Sweet. Oh, it's all the same. Alright, cool. Send that Google Chrome is done. Yeah, whatever. I don't know about it. I don't know what causes that error, to be honest. But then, yeah, you'll see it better. Yeah. Yeah. See, I clearly know what day it is, but remember that set the thing in the back, but yeah, just the reset thing, I don't know. Yeah. So yeah. I'll probably know that I changed the SSD on the RAM. I have to do that for. Here, see properties. See? No, see it has 40 gigs of RAM. I mean, I should set it right over it. It did say, it would say 1 hour. So yeah. Hope you all enjoyed this fun little video. And the other video will move to the Dell E6510. Probably do that, I'm gonna, I don't know, maybe a live stream or do that. I'm gonna do it all honestly because it's just me installing the computer. Just this hardware caddy. And then installing SP on it. Yeah, you know what, nothing but probably won't do a video on that at all because it's kinda dumb. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed this little video. And listen you guys. Take it easy. Let's see actually. Have some Firefox load. Oh, much better than before. It's not Chrome, unfortunately. We did before. Yeah, that's a lot better. Alright, cool. For this time, listen to you guys. Take it easy.